Hi guys, I'm at the south bus station of Medellin. Today I'm going to Jardin. It is a big bus station. In the middle it has an outdoor area which is sort of like a plaza, and it also has a lot of shops and restaurants. This is the food court area. It has fast food and some traditional local restaurants. It's still quite chill at the moment because it's still a little bit early for lunch, because I think people who work around in this area, they also come here to eat. Or you can get fries and salchipapas here. Is it working? Crypto is quite popular in Colombia because I saw a few this kind of machines already. Alright, they call this part as a co-working area. But basically you just charge your phone here. Maybe it has Wi-Fi too, I'm not too sure. A little playground for kids. From my understanding, these two bus companies can bring you there. The ticket costs 32,000 COP, which is like around 8 baht, and it's gonna take 3 to 4 hours. Now I have to go to the bathroom because I'm not sure if the bus has one there. Bathroom charge is usually 1,000 COP, so have it prepared. Coca Cero. Cero? Sí. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
Ya todo es
Got my snacks. I believe this is my bus. We have been on the road for 2.5 hours, and Google said we still have 3 more hours to go. A little accident with our bus. The door is not able to close properly because I think the driver he done something. Finally, I'm in Jardin. It took me 6 hours to come here from Medellin. It was crazy because last time it was only 4 hours. I'm gonna stay here for a night, so let me check in to my hotel first. This is my room with a double bed, a TV. I don't know why they have sort of a mini bar here, a chair, and then bathroom. Inside the bathroom there's a closet. This hotel doesn't have hot water, but I only stay here for a night and it's only 10 bucks. I have to go get some food now, otherwise everything will be closed. I would like to have some local food. Today is Thursday. Very quiet here. I love this, as well as the TV. This is the local dish, Bandeja Paisa, with beans, banana, chicharrón, some pork, egg, rice at the bottom, sausage, arepa. I also order a glass of mango juice. The guy said that this sauce is very spicy. We'll see. Let me try the spicy sauce. It's not really spicy, it's just a little bit. Because in general, Colombian, they don't eat spicy food. So for them, if they tell you, oh, it's very spicy, it's just okay. If Mexicans tell you that, oh, it's not spicy, it is spicy. The dish was 25,000 COP and the mango juice was 3,000. Altogether 28,000 COP, which is like 7 bucks. I told the guy in the restaurant that the salsa that he gave me was not spicy at all, and he was very disappointed. This is the plaza of Jardin. You can also get food from here, but today is a weekday, so it's pretty quiet, and I think only half of the vendors are doing business. I think I'll go to get a cup of hot chocolate and do some journaling here. So see you tomorrow. Good morning. This is my hotel. So colorful. That's balcony. Let me show you. It's sort of like a living room area. Here is the balcony. The staircase is nice too. This is the lobby. There are quite many waterfalls in Jardin. You can join a tour if you don't want to go by yourself. It's so refreshing early in the morning. I think I'll go to get a return bus ticket now and then get a coffee here. There are two bus companies here. I tried the other one yesterday, which was pretty shit. So I'm gonna try this one today. I'm gonna post the schedule on my Patreon page, but it's for reference only. Make sure you confirm the time with the people at the ticket office. Look at all that. So colorful. Every cafe has tables and chairs outside. So I think I just sit down and someone will come to help me. I think they only have tinto. That's how they call black coffee here. But they have coffee with milk. Café con leche. This is my café con leche. That's the sugar here. It looks very chemical. There's some bars right next to the hotel, so it was quite noisy last night. And the bell of the church rang this morning at 6 a.m. So a little bit of caffeine is necessary. This chair is different. It has a painting. So pretty. It's so nice to just sit here and do some people watching. This is a very classic building, but they converted into a bank. I think besides waterfalls, it also has a few coffee farms in Jardin. If you don't have time to visit Salento or other coffee farms in Colombia, maybe you can try one of them here. The Café con Leche that I had is a large size. It costs 2,500 COP, which is like 60 cents. If you just order small tinto, it will be around 1,000, which is like 25 cents. Let's check out the church. It's quite a big church. I like this idea. It's just safer. Wow, it has a nice ceiling. The tiles are pretty too. It's not sunny today at all, but I have to wear my hat because there's no hot water in my hotel, so I didn't wash my hair. Wow, it's not like 100% cold. I can feel that there's a little bit of warm water, but it's not warm enough to wash my hair. Horses! Ah, so nice. Every house has a balcony. It's so beautiful here and quiet. I want to try this very local cable car, La Garrucha. Is it open? It's open. This is the operation hour. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
10,000 ida y vuelta.
It is available. Yeah. Gracias.
Hello.
Woo! No one is going with me. Oh my god, it looks so scary. So this cable car is supposed to be for comers or for people living up there. Okay, we're almost there. It only takes like less than 5 minutes. Is it going to stop? Okay. Hola, buenos días.
Hola, buenos días.
Gracias. That's how it looks like outside. Hello, hola. I think here it's supposed to have a cafe. There's not much to see actually. Lots of dogs. Quite friendly. They don't bark. Just to experience the cable car. Nice view. Wow, it's so calm here. Jardin in Spanish means garden, but I think this place is more beautiful than a garden. Those are bananas. They wrap the bananas with a plastic. Okay, I think I'll go back down and pay. The chickens have their own sunroom. It takes less than 5 minutes to come up, but if I want to go back down, I need to wait for another 30 minutes. I can also walk, but the pathway is very slippery. That's the control room. Ooh, okay, they're calling the cable car to come up. I'm gonna get a tuk-tuk to another location. Okay, gracias. The tuk-tuk here has standard price. I'm going to Cristo Rey, so it's 20,000 COP. This is one of the cafe or restaurant that's not open yet. It is famous because it has a crystal rail. That's a Jesus. Nice view, but it has a bit of rain. I come to another place called Cafe Jardin. It took the tuk-tuk 20 minutes to come here. You can also walk, but it's a little bit muddy. It's so lovely here in the morning on a weekday. It is a beautiful cafe. Look at the chair. Wow. I think it has some history. This is the menu. My cappuccino with Baileys. I don't know why they don't put it into the coffee. This is the 3 cheese pastry. This morning I bought a 5:45 bus ticket to Medellin, and the bus company just called me and said that they moved the bus to 4:30. Previously I want to get the 4:30 bus, but they said it's not available. If I miss that, I'm gonna stay here for another night. If the bus company asks you to leave a phone number, make sure you leave them a phone number that they can call you. Let's go into here. This is a popular Instagram spot. Oh, by the way, it is right next to the church. I think I'm gonna take a break here and wait for the bus to depart. See you in the next video. Bye!